Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your email address to your Fortnite account. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to epicgames.com. As you go to epicgames.com, make sure that you're already logged into your account. So when you're logged into your account, you can see that on the upper right hand side there are three horizontal lines. Tap on the three horizontal lines. And then underneath you can see your account name. Tap on your account name and then select account. As you select account, you will now be directed towards a page that will show you your account information, and you will automatically land on the general settings page. So I'm on the general settings page. You can see that the very second option there says email address, and then besides the email address there's an edit button. So tap on the edit button. And now here it says that you will have to first enter your new email address. You can also note down that you will not be able to change this email address again for 90 days after this change is saved to this account. So here, make sure that you know of this information and then give in your new email address. So after doing this, tap on confirm. And then as you tap on confirm, it says here that a certain security code has been sent to your earlier email, so you'll have to just go and check if a certain verification code has been sent. This code is sent to your earlier email address just to check that it is you who's trying to imply a new email address to your account and that it's not anybody else. So here I'm waiting for the email, and here I've already received a security code, so I'm just going to open this up. And as I am viewing this email, I can already see the code, so I'm just gonna copy the code, and then here under the bar that says security code, I'm just gonna paste the code and then tap on continue. As I tap on continue, and as all the processings load and complete, I will have been able to change my email address. So this is basically how you can change your email address. It says here that I will also need to verify my email address. So I'm just gonna go to my new email address that I just linked to see the ways by means of which I can verify my email address, because email verification can always help you recover your account or help you in any other processings. So I'm just gonna end up verifying the email as quickly as possible so that it is not left apart for next time. So here I'm just waiting for the browser to load, and as the load is completed, it says here that my verification of my email has completed. So I've just tapped on continue, and now what will happen is that you will be able to see that my email address that is linked to my Fortnite account has been changed. So this is basically how you can change your email address. Also make sure that you verify your email address as soon as you change it for security reasons and for different other reasons. So I hope that by watching this video, you've been able to change your own email address. Please make sure that you let us know in the comment section if that happened.